Reversible and irreversible.
Reversible and irreversible change.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like we have to answer like this, that one is reversible or irreversible, like this.
Yes,
Okay.
that is called identification. Understand?
Yeah. Manan sent first.
Okay.
Ma'am, I said second.
Ma'am, what you have written on second?
Cooking of chapati.
Ma'am, my first and second I sent to both.
Okay.
Third also.
Ma'am, how we have to do?
Then we have to just find out that is that one hyphen, it is reversible or irreversible.
Oh, we have to write that it is reversible or not reversible.
Yeah.
Not reversible, nahi, irreversible.
Ma'am, I sent all. Ma'am, I sent all to you.
Okay. Let me check.
Ma'am, do I got bonus?
No bonus. This is just first round.
Okay.
So you got 3 marks out of 4.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, has Tanya also sent?
No, only you have sent me right now.
Ma'am, I have sent you in WhatsApp.
Okay, Ahana, I will just see.
Ma'am, how much Hannah got? Ma'am, how much marks Hannah got?
4 by 4.
4.4.
Ahana got 4 by 4. All are correct.
Ma'am, my which is wrong? Third.
I will explain. You are correct, Manan.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Tanmay, your 2 answers are correct. But your spelling is incorrect.
Ma'am, I am writing.
It is not irreversible, it is irreversible.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
See, reversible.
Ma'am, am I correct now in the
तो वो तो जो इनकरेक्ट लिखा है उसको करेक्ट कर दो.
Yeah, ma'am. I am just correcting that my mistake I got a name.
स्पेलिंग गलत है मनन, स्पेलिंग ठीक लिखो. ओके तन्मय, आपके 3
Ma'am, what is meaning of fourth one?
molten wax becomes solid candle.
Ma'am, molten wax.
Molten means melted. Melted wax.
Ma'am, can we move to next question?
Just hold on. I am waiting for Tanmay to finish. Okay, Tanmay also got 4 out of 4. So the third one, water changes to steam. That is reversible. We can
Ma'am,
get,
steam does not give
Evaporation process.
that is called condense. We will do reverse. We can get steam back.
Ma'am, like clouds also do like this.
Yes.
The steam.
Condensation. That is chemically called condensation.
Yeah.
So who is keeping the score?
Ma'am, Manan, should I keep?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the scores?
4 Tanmay, 4 Ahana, Manan 3.
Ma'am, these are bonus.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent you the answer. Sorry, ma'am, I was in a hurry.
So Ahana, you have to understand what I mean. Do the
Yes,
question
ma'am, I didn't see the full question.
Yeah, please see.
So, ma'am, do she got a marks or no?
Because I will give her marks. Don't worry. Because she has not seen the whole question.
Yeah.
You are correct. Correct. You got bonus.
Ma'am, Manan. Ma'am,
Manan
Manan.
मनन का टाइम है 3:51 और अहाना का भी 3:51. So both of you got bonus.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're laughing at my answer.
और तन्मय आपका भी करेक्ट है. So मनन
I'm
and
just typing so fast.
हाँ.
I was just typing so fast that.
So understand the marks.
Ma'am, I got 3 in this, right?
No, you got 4. Ahana got 4. Tanmay got 2.
Ma'am, were you laughing at my answer?
Speak again, Ahana.
Were you laughing at my answer?
I'm laughing at Manan's and yours answer because changes in human body in shape. That is correct.
Yeah, ma'am. They become fat and then when they do exercise, they lose their weight.
And Tanmay example, I should say, is better. He has given me the example of deformation of clay, like you used to do when you are very small. You used to make the different shapes by using clay. It can be aeroplane, it can be any shape. So that example I liked. इसने एक और अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया है when we squeeze the plastic bottle, it changes its shape.
And when we blow in it and it changes again.
Yes. So can I write the next question if you are ready?
Yes. Ma'am, I have sent you the answer.
It is correct, Ahana. This is one, Manan.
Ma'am,
So
I'm
I-
typing. My laptop is hanged.
Okay.
Ma'am, you got my. Ma'am, Manan sent you.
Correct, Manan.
Ma'am, Ahana got the bonus in this.
Yes. But your answers, both answers are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but again I used a funny thing.
Ahana +4, me +2, and Tanmay.
Tanmay, I don't find this correct. See, if you want to write the change in size, you can say melting of candle. So when we melt the candle, it becomes small in size.
Ma'am, Tanmay is 0 or
You
1.
can say, Tanmay, you can say, if I sharp the pencil, then it becomes small in size. So give
When crush the can,
growth of plant, you can say growth of,
when we crush can, it's smaller in size.
speak again.
When we crush the can, it becomes smaller in size.
आप वो गलत क्यों सोच रहे हो? क्रश क्यों करना हमें? क्रश कर देने से हम साइज में नहीं, उसकी जैसे ये उसका शेप था, सिलेंडर शेप था. इफ यू क्रश इट तो वो पतली हो जाएगी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट साइज, नॉट थिकनेस. सो बेटर आप हाइट के एग्जाम्पल दो. ग्रोथ इन प्लांट, यू कैन से ग्रोथ इन ह्यूमन.
And but is ice cube is correct.
आइस क्यूब स्टेट का चेंज होता है, मनन. When I talk about ice cube,
Ma'am,
ice,
Tanmay is asking that ice cube.
हाँ, तो अगर आइस क्यूब वाटर में चेंज हो रहा है तो हम उसे कहते हैं चेंज इन स्टेट. साइज का चेंज नहीं बोलते हैं उसको. उसको हम किस कैटेगरी में पुट अप करते हैं? चेंज इन स्टेट. फ्रॉम सॉलिड इट इज चेंजिंग इनटू लिक्विड.
Ma'am, Tanmay 0 or 1?
Let's give him one.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you
We
do
have
more
to
questions?
share this.
Ma'am, please do more question.
Yes.
And ma'am, how many practice questions have you done? Please show me. I will take a screenshot and then I will send you. Ma'am, previous one.
Ma'am, we have to write this also.
Next.
Yes.
Can you share this question on group because I am not write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So last question I am writing.
Ma'am, please give 2 more. Ma'am, please.
We have learned very little about the chapter. So I don't have much questions left for this chapter.
Okay.
And can you took my that answer only? Crushing can and melting ice cube.
Yes,
I have sent the answer.
I have taken that. Very good, Ahana. It is correct. You got bonus again. 4 marks to Ahana.
And ma'am, who is Anmol?
So see, just wind up. I do have class with class 8 Do it fast, Tanmay.
Ma'am, Manan,
So Manan and Tanmay, both of you are wrong. So that is incorrect answer. So I am writing correct answer. So cooking of food. So when you cook food, their internal structure changes. Or you can say milk changing into curd. So again, speak again.
no, ma'am, nothing.
Or if you say burning of paper, so it gets changed. It gets changed into ashes. So this, in all this changes, internal structure is changing. If food is cooked, then its internal structure will change. Milk changing into curd, then its internal structure will change. Okay, so I have to join class 8.
Ma'am,
Okay,
should I tell the marks?
Yeah, Anmol,
Tanmay got 7.
I know Ahana is the winner.
Yeah.
So I am happy with that you all participated well. Anmol, मैं reconnect करती हूँ. Just give me a second.
Okay, ma'am.